myself. Okay. Oh, it was a baby burn. I hope I don't get a burn mark.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it.
Friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a review from a company called Kriyya. I've worked with this company before. They sent me a unit. She's right here, but these are the goodies that came inside the box as well. So you got some clips, a satin not a bonnet, but a scarf, some eyelashes, a wig cap, and then the wig, of course. Now it says, let's open this up. This is a Jerry curl unit, 24 inches, okay? And it says that the hair has been disinfected, but we're gonna disinfect the hair ourselves when we wash it with some Ajax, you feel me? So yeah, I'm gonna open this bag and we're gonna go in it and then we're gonna see what she's working with. See, the wig comes neatly packaged. It comes with a little styrofoam holder to keep the wig shaped. The knots are not bleached and the hair is lightly plucked, which is fine because we're gonna go in and do that ourselves. They have these little clips to keep the styrofoam in place. So I'm gonna remove that so we can look inside of the frontal. So this is the frontal. So the lace already looks brown and it matches my skin perfectly already. You see that? Just gone. So if you are a lighter complexion, you want to be wary of this because it already comes with brown lace. I'm not too sure if they have any lighter lace, but you can definitely ask the company. I will leave all of their information down below. So you do get a partial frontal, and when I say a partial frontal, it means it tapers off on the side right here, okay? And the majority of the parting you get is in the middle, and then it has 3 combs and adjustable straps, okay? And let's look at the texture. As far as the texture, this doesn't seem like Jerry curl to me. It looks more on the water wavy side, and especially when we wash it, or when I wash it, it's going to loosen up. So we will see what the texture looks like at the end of customizing, but as of right now, let's bleach some knots. So to get this bleaching process started, I have my Quick Blue, which is my favorite bleach. You can use any bleach you want. That is your preference, friend. I have 40 volume developer because I'm in my kitchen and that's all I got up here right now, all right? And you need something to mix that thing up with. So I have my tinting bowl and my tinting brush. I'm gonna put 1 scoop of bleach to 1 scoop of developer, mix it together and apply it on my lace.
Now, I don't know where the footage went of me adding the bleach onto the actual wig, but I did, and I let it sit on for 15 minutes, and then I went ahead and let it, and washed it and deep conditioned it. Now, I don't show you me deep condition it with silicone mix, but you guys know my silicone mix is my jam, and I will always use silicone mix to deep condition my wigs and to make them healthy and to make them last long. I left the bleach on for about 15 to 20 minutes, you guys.
Oh, because it is on the runny side like that, you feel me? I'm gonna wait a couple of minutes and it's gonna thicken up and then we can apply it on the wigs.
So I'm just going to take some warm water and I'm going to just go ahead and rinse off all the bleach that's on this lace. Make sure every single drop of bleach is rinsed off. And then I am going to probably take some purple shampoo and either some Ajax or some Suave just to clean the wig, just to make sure that there's nothing in it. It's disinfected, it's just ready to go to be worn, because you definitely want to make sure that everything is washed that's coming from overseas, because of the fact that we just get, like, we're still in a pandemic. I think it's about to be over, but you know, you just want to be careful and be cautious about what you let into your house and, you know, what you're ordering, because a lot of people touch it. You don't know how they're handling it wherever it's coming from. So yeah, you just want to be cautious about these type of situations. So I like to make sure that mine is clean, detangled, and ready to be worn, because I like to be cute.
This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, when you make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away.
So after the washing of the wig, I would literally go in and plug the unit and style the baby hairs. And this is basically what it looks like after I let it air dry and add the baby hairs to it.
Okay, so we're here. Excuse my dirty shirt. I have makeup on it. It's my wig right here. I already customized it and everything. If you guys want to see a newer, dedicated video of me customizing my wigs, I mean, like plucking and all that kind of stuff and baby hairs, let me know down below and I'll do a dedicated video for you guys. But look at this brown lace that goes with my skin tone. It's a bit warm, but it's good. It's good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and install it now. I found a new lace spray. This is not an even lace spray or anything. This is a new one from the beauty supply. This is Red by Kiss, and this is their lace spray bond. I'm not gonna do the whole review situation on this video. I'll do it on another video coming up. So we're just gonna go in and do a glueless install with the Kiss and this bomb wig. Okay, so let's do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the wig on top of my head because I want to make sure that the fit, oh, it's for sure fit. The fit is good. It looked like a small cap, but it actually fits really good. Look at that. And the hair is super soft. Need to put makeup on it? No, I don't. Like this lace. First of all, this is too long. This lace is too long for my eyelashes. This lace, the color of this lace is really, really nice. I'm not gonna go ahead and put any more makeup on my cap. This is makeup from me putting my actual makeup on. But if I was to put makeup on this cap, I would have used my Ruby Kisses foundation. I'm in a shade 16. If you guys are interested in that makeup, I'll have that link down below for you guys so you guys can order it. What I can say is that the lace on the actual or the hairline stops a little bit short. So if I didn't pull the baby hairs down, it would have stopped up here instead of like down here. It's not a big deal. I'm just gonna have to lift up my ball cap a little bit, or I could just install it as is. I'll probably install it as is because I'm not trying to mess up my ball cap because I did a good job with installing it. Okay, so I'm gonna get some scissors and I'm gonna go ahead and make some slits. Doing this just makes it a little bit easier to maneuver the wig around. It gives it a little bit more flexibility. I'm gonna start from ear, the middle, and then to the other ear. So I'm gonna take my spray. I got the small can because I didn't want to invest in a larger one if I didn't like it. Pull this down to make sure it's sitting where I want it to. Then I'm gonna take the spray. Ooh, it smells good. It smells way better than that even spray, I'll tell you that. And then I'm gonna blow dry my hair on warm. Okay, so that's down. So we're gonna work on the middle of my hairline. I'm gonna pull it back as much as I can. It smells good. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna lay it down. Put the hair back. Now, I'll blow dry it. Now we're gonna do this side. So I'm gonna lift it up a little bit, spray. Okay, so excuse me if I have a little you know, stocking cap sticking out on the side. Remember, it's a little bit too short, but I'm gonna cut the rest off. And then I'm gonna take my razor. So if it looks like it's not all the way down, it's fine. We're gonna do the melting method to make it lay all the way down, because this is exactly what happens when you do spray adhesives. Got them things. Okay, so I'm about to just curl the baby hairs. Some spritz, and then also my edge brush. Spray the spritz on the brush, not too much, and then I'm gonna lay the baby hairs down.
I get asked all the time where my eyelashes are from. You can find them on my website. I do have my website in the beginning of this video on the intro feed, so you can find my website there, and it'll also be in the description box for you guys. I am wearing 2 pairs of eyelashes, if you did not know. You don't have to wear 2 pairs. I like to wear 2 pairs, and they are 25 millimeters. I hear a lot of girls saying that they out of style, but not for me.
And you want to take an elastic band. I have one. And you want to spray your hairline down, and then you want to wrap it with the elastic band so it could put pressure on it. You don't have to use an elastic band. You could use rapid strips. You could use a scarf. Use whatever you got to lay this lace down. Take it before it pops on off. Before your wig pop off, because it will, because you spraying wet hairspray on dry hairspray, so it's gonna dissolve the dry hairspray, and you don't want that to happen. What I could tell you though, what I like about these aerosol cans and these lace adhesive sprays is that they dry super fast. So my hairline is actually ready, and I just put it on maybe like a minute and a half ago, and so I'm gonna pull it down and then pull it off. My part is really off, but I'm leaving it where it's at. I just am. Fluff it out a bit so I can have a little bit more volume. And this is a glueless install for you, because not one lick of glue was used to adhere this wig on down. And there we go. Yes, I love me any type of way that I could hurry up and install my wigs or take them off.
But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're interested in this wig, I will have all the information down below in the description box. If you're interested in this Kiss Red hairspray, I'll also have that listed down below in the description box for you guys. And all my accessories and eyelashes will be on my website, so go visit it. Go visit it if you want some bomb earrings. You like bamboos? I got bamboos. Bye, best friends.
Party still eating, my niggas still eating. That girl, they look like the garden, they eat it. Pillows all bitter, spilling the tea, and they try to get back and say